you never wonder why. Just be strong and find a way to try. When you belong, there will always be a way. You will always find how to go on. Just be strong and find a way to try. When you belong, there will always be a way. Just be strong and find a way to try. When you belong, there will always be a way. Or just go on, you know your reasons why. Run through it all till break of dawn. You will always find how to go on.
Maybe our lives were not meant to collide from the start, but who could foresee the fall? Maybe it's time to decide what to do with the fact that it happens to us all. From time to time it all comes around, and no one knows the end. We're all